Hello students, how are you all? In this video, I will be discussing with you divisibility tests. To begin with, the first test of divisibility by 2. Now, a number is said to be divisible by 2 if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. This means we have to check the last digit. If it is an even number, means 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number is divisible by 2. I have taken a few examples also. 7148. I have underlined the last digit, you can see. Now this is an even number, 8 is an even number, so I will write on yes, this number is divisible by 2. Another example, 1225. Over here the last digit is 5, which is not even, this is an odd number, so this number will not be divisible by 2. The next divisibility test which I am discussing is divisibility by 5. A number is said to be divisible by 5 if its last digit is either 0 or 5. So we will check the last digit. If it is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. I've taken an example, 5008. The last digit over here I have underlined is 8, which is not 0 or 5. So therefore I have written no, this number is not divisible by 5. The second example, 3155 is ending in a 5. So yes, this number will be divisible by 5. The next divisibility test is by 10. I have taken this in the order in which we have to check the last digit or the last 2 digits or the last 3 digits. Okay, so in divisibility test of 10, again we have to check only the last digit. If it is a 0, the number is divisible by 10. So I have taken an example, 7138 is ending in 8, so it will not be divisible by 10. The second example, 7530 is ending in 0, so this number is divisible by 10. Moving further, how do we check divisibility by 4? For checking a number is whether it is divisible by 4, we have to check the last 2 digits of the given number. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the given number is also divisible by 4. For example, 3146, over here the last 2 digits are 46. We know 4 12s is 44 and 4 13s becomes 4 12s is 48 and 4 11s is 44. So this number 46 is not divisible by 4, so this number is also not divisible by 4. The last 2 digits over here are 04. We know 4 times 1 is 4, so this is divisible by 4. Coming to next, divisibility test of 8. We check the last 3 digits. If the number formed is divisible by 8, then the given number is also divisible by 8. Let's see the example, 5168. Over here the last 3 digits are 168, which is clearly divisible by 8. 8 2s are 16 and 8 1s are 8. So we'll get 168, 20 is, the quotient comes out to be 21. So it is divisible by 8. Therefore I have written a yes over here. Similarly, 7036, the last 3 digits are 036 or only 36. 4 8s is 32 and 4 5s is 40. So 36 does not come in the table of 8. Therefore this number is not divisible by 8. So all these numbers were the numbers in which we have to see the last digit, last 2 digits in the divisibility test of 4 and last 3 digits in the divisibility test of 8. Moving to the next divisibility test is the divisibility test by 3. Now to check whether a number is divisible by 3, we will find the sum of all the digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. I have taken an example over here, 3123. If I'll add up all the digits, 3 plus 1 gives me 4, plus 2 6, plus 3, 9. The sum comes out to be 9, which is divisible by 3. So yes, this number will be divisible by 3. Another example, 143. If I add up the digits, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 gives me 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, therefore this number will also not be divisible by 3. Coming to divisibility test of 9, it is similar to divisibility test of 3, with the difference that over here the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Okay. So example 1431. If I'll add up the digits, the sum comes out to be 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. So therefore I have written yes, this number is divisible by 9. But in 183, the sum comes out to be 12. 12 is not divisible by 9, therefore this number is also not divisible by 9, so I have written a no. Now coming to divisibility test of 6. Now for divisibility test of 6, we have to check the numbers divisibility by two numbers, that is number 2 and number 3. So if a number is divisible both by 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6. 4178, you can see I have made these lines to show divisibility test by 2 and 3. Now this number is ending in an 8. This is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. But if I check the sum of digits, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 8, the sum comes up to be 20. This is not divisible by 3, because 3 6 is 18 and 3 7 becomes 21. So it is not divisible by 3, therefore it will not be divisible by 6. Another example, 1524. This is again an even number, so it is divisible by 2. I have written a yes. The sum of the digits comes out to be 12. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Plus 4, 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. 3 4 is 12. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. So I have written a yes. Both are yes. So yes, it will be divisible by 6 also. Now coming to divisibility test of 7. To check a number whether it is divisible by 7, we follow this method. We double the last digit of the number and subtract it from the remaining number. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is also divisible by 7. I have taken an example, 259. The number without the last digit will be 25. 9 is the last digit. If I double it, 9 2s becomes 18. I have subtracted 18 from the given number. The result is 7, which is divisible by 7. Therefore, the number 259 is also divisible by 7. If we get a large number over here, we can again follow the same method. Separate the last digit, double it and subtract it from the given number till we get a number which we can easily check whether it is divisible by 7. And then you can write down the result. Yes, the number is divisible by 7, or the number is not divisible by 7. Coming to divisibility test by 11. If the difference in the sum of the odd and the even places is 0 or a multiple of 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. I'll explain it to you with the help of an example. I've taken an example, 67,452. Now sum of odd places, we will begin with the ones digit. It was 2 plus 4 plus 6, which comes out to be 12. Sum of even places, 5 plus 7, which comes out to be 12. Now the difference, 12 minus 12, 0. Then we will write the result. These 4 steps are there for divisibility test of 11. So I've told you, if the difference comes out to be 0 or a multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. So we write on yes, the number is divisible by 11. If this difference comes out to be some other number like 1, 2, 3, 4, then we will write on no, the number is not divisible by 11. So these were the divisibility tests till 11. Hope you have understood, and now you will be able to solve questions based on them. If you have any problems, please do give me a message and I'll try to help you out. Bye for now, students. Thank you.